Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now execute code 1 to generate the error and observe the outcome. Let's walk you through the interpretation and the correction for this bug. Feel free to pause the video to read through the explanation. Now we'll repair the code and observe the final output. And just like that, the code is running smoothly and our output is on point. The bug has been squashed. That concludes today's video. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting videos. Remember, stay inquisitive, keep learning, and happy debugging, folks.